I'm Rebecca Anderson.
And I'm Josh Anderson, and we live in Norwood Park, and we've lived here 4 years.
Before this project, our bathroom was pretty dated. It was very dark. There was a lot of pink and seashells in it, and it just had not been updated in a long time. It was kind of grimy and a little bit gross.
And yeah, it was. And it kind of lacked the character of our house. Our house is from 1925, and this was very 80s, and they had saved almost nothing except the bathtub from the original bathroom. We kind of had a blank slate because almost nothing could be saved, and there was a lot of tile on the walls I had to remove, which damaged the plaster, so we pretty much had to start from scratch. So we were able to redo the plumbing and electrical behind the walls, add tile that we felt was period appropriate, and Rebecca kind of did most of the design work.
We wanted it to kind of fit with the house and the age of the house, but I kind of like colorful, fun things, so we wanted to make it fun also.
We put green accents in the tile to kind of go with the wallpaper. Wallpaper can be changed. The tile, I think, is kind of timeless and should be able to last for
hopefully a long time.
Another 100 years or whatever.
Yeah, we debated going with like a more colorful tile, but it kind of just seemed like the black and white was more timeless. But we're happy with how it ended up, and I think with the black and white it'll last forever, hopefully.
Mm-hmm. We have a lack of storage because of the pedestal sink. And when I was, the walls were open down to the studs, we had an open cavity between two studs that I was able to custom build a cabinet into, and then fit a door that we ordered to match our other doors in the house. So that's a really nice feature for storage.
And we added a medicine cabinet too, which we didn't have before.
Right. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like my favorite place right now in the house because it's just what we wanted. Like, we didn't really have to make too many compromises. It's peaceful and it's a calm space, so it's a nice, relaxing room.